four pillars of aptitude is, first one is tables. You should buy at tables compulsory. Up to 19 tables you should compulsory, it is compulsory. But again you have to practice for bank exam, you have to learn some other tables also. So learn prime number tables up to 50, prime numbers table after 20, after 20 prime numbers tables like 23, 29, 31, these numbers 41, 49, these numbers you have to learn it compulsory. You have to learn 25 ones and 75 ones, this is compulsory again. So tables you have to learn, first thing you have to learn up to 19 tables, I mean up to 20 tables total. Come up to 20 compulsory, 25 ones is compulsory, 75 ones is compulsory, this is your choice. Up to 50 tables prime numbers table, that is your choice, but compulsory is up to 20 tables, 25 ones a table, 75 ones a table, compulsory, everyone should buy it. Okay, this is the first pillar. Now how to do practice tables in multiplication, how to do these calculations. You know, we know maximum most of them you will learn 9 ones are going to barutalva ellargu, everyone we know that up to 9 ones at present now, but you should buy it up to 19. How to use up to 9 remaining tables? Say for example I want 23 into 9, I want answer, I want answer 23 into 9. So use mind calculation, don't use like this 9 3s are 27, 7 2 carry, 9 2s 18, don't do that like that. We have to do mind calculation only. So 23 into 9, this number in your mind, just split this number, instead of 23, 20 plus 3, this you have to split in your mind, 20 plus 3 into 9. What is 9 into 20? 180. So 29 is a 180 plus 9 3 is a 27. 180 plus 27, what is the answer? 207. Okay, so for example I have a number, for example 29 into 12, I have a number 29 into 12. How to write this number now? Yeah, can I write 30 minus 1 also? Okay, so you have to think which is the best, 20 plus 9 best, 30 minus 1 best. Okay, that is up to you. Okay, so your choice, you will get both answer will be same, but your choice how to split that number. Instead of 20 plus 9, the 30 minus 1 is best here. Okay, 12 into 30, 360, because 12 3s are, that's it, you have to do it. 12 3s are 360, 36 means 360 minus 12, because 12 ones are 12, 360 minus 12, how much? 360 minus 12, 348. That is the answer for 29 into 12. So for example I have a number 47 into 50, 15, 47 into 15. How to write this number? Good, 50 minus 3, this number in my mind I will split like this, 50 minus 3 into 15. What is 15 into 50? 750. 15 5s are 75, which means 750 minus 45. Okay, 750 minus 45, what is the answer? 705. That is your answer. Is it clear? How to practice tables. Okay, so in app, that app I will explain later how to use that. Just write on this some examples, 23 and 29 47, just write on that. For writing this, Next, give adding multiplication tricks. Sorry, give adding first addition. Then we'll come to addition. Addition. Now addition, how to do it? Tell me answer for this, everyone. 129 plus 486. Then how to do addition? The meaning of addition first understand. The meaning of addition means you have two pockets. In that pocket you have 100 rupee plus 20 rupee plus 9 rupee amount. You have one more pocket. In that amount, in that pocket you have 400 rupee, 80 rupee plus 6 rupee you have. Now I have to combine the both. Always while do addition, make numbers beautiful. Okay, which means I want numbers always 50 rupees, otherwise 10 rupees, otherwise 20 rupees. I want 100 rupees, I want 500 rupees. Like these numbers I want. I don't want 5, 6 rupees, 7 rupee, 8 rupee. I don't want. I want numbers like this. So what I'm going to do, first I will take 1 rupee from him. I will take 1 rupee from him. Otherwise I can take 21 rupee from him. Whatever your choice. Is it clear? If I take 21 rupee, this number will become 150, right? Then if I take 21 rupee, this number is 150 now rupee. Okay, now already 21 already took. Now remaining how much I have? 465 rupee. Now 150 plus 465, 150 plus 400, otherwise 150 plus 450. How much 150 plus 450? 600 plus 15. 600 plus 15, 650. I will take one more example. For example, 792 plus 898. I have to add this. I can make it this number also beautiful, this number also beautiful. Okay, any one number you can make it beautiful. How much you want to make it beautiful? 2. I will take 2 rupee first. I will take 2 rupee first. Then this number will become 900. This number will become 790. First 900 plus 700. How much 900 plus 700? 1600 plus 90. Your answer will be 1690. That is your answer. Okay, is it clear? Just write few examples. We will do so many questions in simplification part. Here just we'll learn how to do methods. Over this. Next, dividing subtraction. doing subtraction. For example, I will use two methods subtraction, method 1, method 2. Depends on situation, I will change it. So for example, I need to subtract 498 minus 234. I need to subtract this 498 minus 234. Tell me, just I will ask one question. 500 minus 236, what's the answer? 260. Here also answer is, here we can tell answer easily. Here we feel little bit difficult, but answer is same again. The concept is very simple. In addition, if I make it numbers beautiful, if I increase one side, other side I am going to do decrease. But in subtraction, if I increase one side, other side also I have to increase. Okay, in subtraction, if I increase one side, other side also increase. If I decrease one side, other side also decrease in subtraction. But in addition, if I increase one side, other side decrease in addition concept. Is it clear? I don't want 498. I want beautiful number. Okay, can I write this number 500? Right, because I'm increasing 2 rupees. Okay, if I increase, the concept is very simple. Again, if here I will increase, here also I have to increase 236. This I am going to do subtraction. This is one way. Okay, another way, for example, I need to subtract 691 minus, difficult, 648 minus 391. This I need to subtract. 648 minus 391. This I need to subtract. I can do this number, I can increase 9. Here also I can increase 9. That is one way. Okay, so instead of doing that, I will use another method. Assume one number between these two numbers. Assume one number between these two numbers. That number is, assumption number is, which is the lowest number? For this base number, nearest number is 400. Smallest number base. Okay, 400. What is the difference? 9. What is the difference? How much less? 9 less. How much more? 248 more. Add these numbers. 248 plus 9. Your answer will be 248 plus 9. How to add this number in your mind? 250 plus 7. Can I do? 248 plus 9. I want numbers beautiful. I will take first 2 rupee. 250 plus 7. 257. Your answer will be 257. If I do subtraction, we will get answer 257. I will repeat one more time. Say now. For example, I need to subtract 948 minus 739. 948 minus 739. Can I assume this 750 is the base or 800? Whatever you want. Understood, right? I can assume 750 or I can assume between these two numbers, any numbers you can assume. Tell me. $739 in the 948 ಒಳಗಡೆ any numbers you can assume. From 739 to 948. Any number you can assume, but I will take always small number for that nearest number. Understood, right? How much difference? 11 difference. Yeah, you can take 740 also. Okay. You can take any number, 740, 730, whatever, 800, any number between 739 to 948. Any number you can take. Your convenient, your choice. Okay. So if I take 750, it is 11 difference. It is how much difference? 198. Correct? Because here 50, 800 plus 148. 198. 198 is the difference. Now add these numbers. Okay, 198 plus 11. How to add 198 plus 11? 200 plus 9. 200 plus 9. Okay, 209. So don't forget addition concept. So addition concept, we will make it numbers beautiful. Okay, use that concept only in subtraction also. Clear, everyone? So here no need to write everything. You can visualize this. Whenever you get in question like this, no need to again write and do like these steps. You have to visualize in your mind actually. difference. You have to assume in your mind this number. No need to write each and every steps again. Okay, this will get, just write down this. We will use this concept in mind calculation, that I will update you how to do. Over this. Over this. Next, dividing. Multiplication. 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 In that first heading, any number multiplication by 5. Any number multiplication by 5. In that first heading is any number multiplication by 5. I want answer for this question. Say here now, don't write it while explaining. So here, suppose I want answer for this number 128 into 5. So we know basic method. Yes, 120 plus 8. What he said, right? That's the right method. Okay, you can do like that, but still easily we can make it answers. So this number I can write this number like this: 128 into 10 divided by 2. Can I write? Right, I can write this number like this also, because 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Again I will get same answer, which means any number multiplication by 5 means first I will do division by 2. First I will do division by 2. Division by 2 meaning half of the number. Division by 2 meaning half of the number into 10. Okay, into 10. Tell me what is half of 128? Into 10. 640. That's our answer. Okay, so for example, first I will discuss even number, then I will take it odd number. See now next. For example, I want answer for this number 248 into 5. I want answer. Half of 248. What is half of 248? 124 into 10. Always into 10. Okay, always into 10. Any number multiplication by 5 means first I will do half, then into 10 I will do it. So half of 248, 124 into 10, your answer will be 1240. Let's take it one more. For example, I want answer for this number. Say now this number 948 into 5 I want. It is little bit difficult to make it half actually. Then how to do it? Okay, what is half of 948? Whenever you feel difficult, remember, whenever you feel difficult in mind calculation, use splitting method. What is can I write this number in my mind? 900 plus 48, right? That I will use in my mind. 900 plus 48. What is 900 of? 450. What is 48 of? Then 450 plus 24. 450 plus 24. 474 into 10. Always that you have to use. 4740. Whenever you feel difficult, use splitting method. Okay, so for example, I want answer for 848 into 5. Half of 848. 424. It is easy numbers, 425, that number. But whenever you have like this 1736 into 5, I want answer now. Okay, this number, can I write 1600 plus 136? Right? 1600 plus 136. Clear everyone? Otherwise 1700 plus 36, your choice. If I take 1700, what is half of 1700 is 850. 1700 of 850, 36 of 18, 36 of 18, 850 plus 18, 868 into 10. Okay, 868 into 10, your answer will be 8680. Is it clear? Any number multiplication by 5 if it is even number. Okay, odd number also same process, small change I will do it. You just write it, even number case. For this, for writing. Okay, next, if it is a odd numbers, if it is a odd number, say for example you have a number 127 into 5, same method, half of this number we have to do it. But whenever if we have odd numbers, we feel little bit difficult to make it off. Okay, if it is even numbers we can do easily, but if it is odd numbers, we feel little bit difficult. Yes, so yes, good. So this number I can write it even number plus or minus 1. Okay, even number plus or minus 1, which means, can I write this number 126 plus or minus, I mean plus 1? Otherwise I can write 128 minus 1, your choice. But I don't want to write this number, you have to visualize like that. Okay, you have to visualize like that. 127 means I can visualize this number 126 plus 1 or 128 minus 1, choice is yours. Okay, if I take this number 126 into 5, we know half of this number easily. What is half of this number? 63. What is half of 1? 0.5. 63 plus 0.5, 63.5 into 10, always we have to do into 10, your answer will be 635. Okay, 635. Same thing, same answer here also. 128 of 64 minus 0.5. Understood, right? 64 minus 0.5, 63.5 into 10, 635. One more I will take it. 647 into 5. This number, can I write 646 plus 1 or 648 minus 1? Your choice. If I take this 600 of 300, 46 of 23, 323.5. 323.5. I'll repeat once again. This number I can write in my mind 646 plus 1. Half of this number we know 323. Half of this number we know 0.5. Okay, 323.5 into 10. So your answer will be 3235. That is your answer. Clear? Write on this. Clear this? Next, application of 5 if it is overwriting this. Application of 5. Next heading is application of 5. Application of 5. Heading is application of 5. Question is this. I'll give one small question. One of the RRB exam question it is. Try to solve this question. Time up. Say no. Time up. Actually, you get 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds. 20 seconds. You have to solve. Now I will write one number. Tell me answer for this. This answer ready only. I will write one number. Just tell me answer for this. This answer in. Good. 162 is the right answer. So what we are going to do? Illi point remove madre. Illu point remove marthi. Aste alba. Clear? If I multiply into 10, here also I will multiply into 10. If I multiply into 2, here also I will multiply into 2. If we multiply into 5, here also I will multiply into 5. Here I will remove point, I will multiply into 10. If I multiply into 10, here also I have to multiply into 10. Otherwise, if I remove 1 point here, here also I can remove 1 point. Clear, you run? Now 45 get cancelled, answer will be 162. Here also same answer. But I am changing my numbers. I want numbers like this. You know, concept is very, very important. This concept I will use entire aptitude. Entire aptitude, 80% of the cases I will use this method. Okay, and most important method. Say now I will ask some questions again. Say now don't write it. Now tell me anyone answer for this question. 35 into 18. I will ask one more number. 70 into 9. What's the answer? Here we can tell answer within a fraction of second, but we can't able to tell answer here. But answer is 630 only here also. That's why we want numbers always like this instead of like this. We want to make numbers like that. That is the only smart thinking. See now the concept is 35 into 18. I don't want 5 in my calculation. 5 is my enemy always. I don't want 5 in my calculation. 5 is my enemy always. Okay, whenever I will get 5, I don't want 5. I want zeros. Okay, I want make this number 0 means, can I multiply into 2? Okay, if I multiply into 2, this number will become 0. Okay, if I multiply once, I mean numerator, I have to divide it by denominator. Okay, which means one side if I do double, other side I have to do half. Okay, one side if I do double, other side I have to do half. Any number ending with 5, another number is even number, I will do this method. One side double, another side half. So now previous question, see how it will become now. I don't want 5 in my calculation. I will change this number to 45. Can I write? 22.5 double. Okay, 22 double 44, 0.5 double 1. This number now in my mind 45. But if I do double one side, can I do off another side? Okay, if I do one side double, another side off. So off of 32.4, off of 32, 16, 0.4 off, mean 2, 16.2. If I remove 1 point, here also can I remove 1 point? Yes. Now I removed 1 point here, here also 45. Now can I cancel 45 directly? Yes. Then your answer will be 162. Okay, 162. It is the most important method in arithmetic. Okay, in aptitude. Write on this example, and in that note I will tell. First write on this example. Write on these two examples also. 35 into 18, I can write it. It is equal to 70 into 9 also. For this, clear? Now, note, in that note 1, note 1, any number ending with 5, any number ending with 5, ending with 5, another number is even number in multiplication. Any number ending with 5, another number is even number, another number is even number, another number is even number. Then do one side double, another side off. Do one side double, one side double, another side off. One side double, another side off. Example, write down this. 35 into 18, it is equal to 70 into 9. Otherwise 45 45 into 12, 90 into 6, like that. Write down this. 35 into 18, example 70 into 9. This is model number 1. Application of 5, model number 1. Model number 2, study. Is it already? Any number ending with 5, another number is even number, do one side double, another side off. Example I write down like this. Now model number 2, the question is, model number 2, the question is, suppose the question is this: 2.5 divided by 0.75 into 27. Can I do double and off? Just let me know. Can I do double and off? No. So what's the reason? Here I have odd number. Okay, if I do double, yes I can do double, but if I do off, again I will get 5. I don't want 5 actually. Okay, so I can't do that method. Now I will do another method. The method is, but I don't want 5 in my calculation. Okay, now without pen and paper, 5, 1.5, 10, 3, 90 is answer. Okay, 90 is answer. How to do that calculation? Say now. Without, that's the fast you can do it. Say now. Can I write like this now? Into 2 into 2, right? If I increase numerator, denominator also I will increase. What is 2 double of 2.5? 5. Double of 0.75? 1.5. Remaining as it is, I will write it. But I told you again, I don't want 5 in my calculation. Again I have 5. Again can I do double? Right? 5 double, 1.5 double. Now your question becomes like this. Okay, your question becomes like this. Now I can do easily. 3 ones are 3 nines are 9 into 10, 90. Okay, 9 into 10, 90. That is your answer. Okay, easily. Is it clear? So write it on example, this example, then note 2 I will tell. We can do this mind calculation. Note 2. In division, any number ending with 5, do double both the side. In division, any number ending with 5, do double both the side. Do double both the side. Numerator also double, denominator also double. Division, any number ending with 5, do double both the side. Clear this one? Next, any number, next heading, multiplication by 25. Any number multiplication by 25. Any number multiplication by 25. I want answer for this number 128 into 25. Can I write this number 128 divided by 4 in 200? Okay, I can write it instead of this number. I can write like this also. Same answer you will get, which means any number multiplication by 25 means first I will do division by 4. First I will do division by 4, then I will multiply by 100. Okay, I told you any number division by 2 means one time off. Any number division by 2 means one time off. Any number division by 4 means 2 times off. Okay, any number division by 4 means 2 times off. So any number division by 2 means one time off. Any number division by 4 means 2 times off. What is off of 128? One time off 64. One more time off into 100. Your answer will be 3200. Your answer will be 3200. I will repeat one more time. See now. For example, 148 into 25 want answer. 148 into 25 want answer. What is off of 120? 148? 74. Okay, off of 74? 37. Okay, into 100. Okay, for example, I want answer for 848 into 25. 800 one time of 400, one more time of 200. 48 one time of 24, one more time of 12. Okay, 212. Okay, 212 divided by, into 100. Okay, your answer will be this. If it is a even number case. If it is a odd number, say for example 127 into 25. I can write it, I told you whenever I will get odd number, I will write it either even number plus or minus 1. Now tell me here, 128 minus 1 is best or 126 plus 1 is best? Which one is best according to you? 128 minus 1 is best. The reason is it is a multiple of 4. Okay, it is a multiple of 4. How to check whether the number is multiple of 4 or not? Last 2 digit is multiple by 4, means 4 ones are table, last 2 numbers. Okay, so 128 one time of 64, one more time of 32. 0.1 one time of 0.5, 0.5 one more time of 0.25. 32 minus 0.25, what is that? 31.75 into 100. Okay, into 100. Your answer will be 3175. I will repeat one more time. See now. For example, I have a 647 into 25. Tell me which is best now, 648 or 646? 648 is best. Okay, so 2 times I have to do it off. One time off is 600. 600 one time off is 300. One more time off is 150. 48 one time off is 24. One more time off is 12. Then 150 plus 12, 162. Point minus 0.25. Correct? Because one time off is 0.5. 0.5 one more time off is 0.25. Then 162 minus 0.25. How much? 16175. Point, it will get cancelled, right? Into 100 if I do. Okay, you will get answer 16175. For example, I have a number 63 into 25. Sorry. 159 into 25. Which number is the best now? 160 minus 1. This is the best now. Okay. Suppose the question is 57 into 25. Which is the best? 58 or 56? 56. Because 58 is not multiple of 4. 56 is multiple of 4. Then I can write it 56 plus 1. I hope it is clear now. Write it few examples. For this, adding multiplication by 11. Thing is multiplication by 11. Multiplication by, so for example, I want answer for 643 into 11. 43 into 11. If it is easy numbers, I will do one method. If it is a numbers a little bit difficult, I will use second method. For example, suppose the question is this: 52 into 11. Suppose question is this, then I will use another concept. This number I can write 10 plus 1. Okay, 10 plus 1. I can use that method also. You can use this method also. 52 into 10, 520 plus 52 I will use. This method already taught. Okay, splitting method. Now I will use method 2 if numbers are like little bit difficult. Okay, then I will use multiplication by 11, another method. I will add 1 0 in ending for our convenience. Then first number I will write it as it is 3. Then 4 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1. 0 plus 6, 6 plus 1. That's your answer. I'll repeat one more time. 4981 into 11 I want answer. The first step, add 1 0 in ending for our convenience. Now tell me answer. First step 1. Next 8 plus 1 9. Next 9 plus 8 17. 7 carry 1. 4 plus 9 14. Here 13 plus 1 14. 4 carry 1. 0 plus 4 4 plus 1. That is your answer. I hope it is clear now. Suppose the question is this now. Tell me how you will solve this question. 621 into 121. 11 into 11. Okay, so not 11 into 2, 11 into 11. Instead of this number I will write 11 into 11 here, 621. So first I will solve this equation. What I will get answer, again I will solve one more time with 11. Okay, clear everyone? Write on this. Over. Next, base method. Base method. Base method. Let's first solve question. Say now, don't write it now. Say everyone. I want answer for 98 into 97. Suppose the question is both the numbers are nearest to one number. Okay, so that number is 100. I will assume 100 is a base. I will assume 100 is a base. The first step here, this question I will write step by step. Say now, the first step, write difference between this number and this number. Okay, compare to always base. Okay, it is more or less. How much less? -2 is less. How much less? That is the first step. You have to do it. Write difference. Second step, take like this. Any one direction. 97 -2 or 98 -3. Any one direction you can do it. 97 -2 how much? Even 98 -3 also 95. Any one direction you can do. 95 into base. Into base. In our example, what's the base here? 100. Then 95 into 100. 95 into 100. Here the answer is, first step answer is 9500. Second step, it is the first step. Second step, now take differences. Now differences you have to do multiplication. Differences you have to do multiplication. This, what is minus into minus? 2 3s are plus 6. Your answer will be 9506. I will repeat one more time. No need to write all these things. I will tell now. Suppose the question is like this: 91 into 97. What is the base you can assume? 100. What is the difference? First one is 9, second one is 3. Now 91 minus 3 or 97 minus 9, your choice. 91 minus 3 if I do, what is 91 minus 3? 88 into 100. Into 100. After that, minus into minus. 9 3s are 9 3s are multiplication. Here you have to do it. Okay, here you have to do multiplication. Minus into minus plus. 9 3s are 27. Then your answer will be 8827. That is your answer. Suppose the question is 104 into 107. This is the question now. What's the difference? Plus 4. 100 is the base. What's the difference? Plus 7 only. 107 plus 4. 111 or 311 into 100. Okay, what's the difference? I mean your multiplication, plus into plus. 4 7s are 28. Your answer will be 31128. Okay, 31128. Suppose the question is like this: 198 into 192, 198 into 192. What's the base? 200 is the base. Here 200 is the base. What's the difference? Minus 8. 192 minus 2. 190 into 200. Base is 200. 190 into 200. 38. 000. Because 190 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10, 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 20. Total 30. Now minus into minus plus. 2 8s are 16. Your answer will be 38016. That is your answer. Okay, clear everyone? Now suppose the question is 98 into 107. 98 into 107. What's the base? 100. What's the difference? Minus 2. Here plus 7. 107 minus 2. 105 into 100. Minus into plus. Minus 14. Minus 14 means it will be 86. Right? It will be 104 because you are taking 100 borrow. Okay, you are taking 100 borrow. 100 minus 14, 86. Remaining 104. You have 104 that. I hope it is clear now. Base method. Right off. What? Clear? So I will give one question. Try to solve. This is one of the exam question, RRB question. The question is 96 into 88 plus 50123 plus 1011 to 1007 equal to option 10 7 66 98. Second option 10 7 66 88. Third option 10 7 66 48. Fourth option 10 7 66 28. Option 10 7 66. most of them we are going to solve questions 96 into 88 when previous method base method use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. That's okay, fine. But remember, if they give any question in bank exams, especially simplification questions, that time is 20 to 25 seconds. We have to solve the questions in 20 to 25 seconds. Is if you use that previous method also, is it possible to solve this question in 20 seconds? Okay. Then definitely ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ? ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ನು ನಮಗೂ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. Okay, so here some method, see that is a method, the basics what I taught previous, that is not still not yet completed, still we have to teach that. There is a many properties we have there. Okay, so whenever you get question, the first step you have to observe options, then you have to decide your methods. I will teach you many methods for one question. Based on options we have to decide which is the best method to solve this question. Suppose options are like this, suppose here instead of 8 2, here instead of 8 3, here 8, here 4, if 6, if the options are like this, suppose here instead of 2, here instead of 8 I am writing 3. Suppose the question is like this, instead of 8 I am writing. Clear? And the number, this question is 10 7 6 6 9 2, 10 7 6 6 8 3, 10 7 6 6 4 8, 10 7 6 6 2 4, 10 7 6 6 3 6. If the question is that options, then I will use another method using unit place concept. I can solve this question using unit place concept because all unit places are different. Clear? Then I can use 6 8s, 8 is unit place, here unit place is 3, here unit place is 7. Now 3 plus 7 10 means 0, 0 plus 8, which is the unit place 8, this is your answer. I can mark it like that if unit places are like that. But unfortunately our bad luck, we have all unit places are same. Okay, so now how to solve this question? But if you closely observe this number and this number, it is a base method numbers, right? This is a base method number. Then observe all the questions in base method. Okay, observe in all the questions in base method. Let's solve this question. 98 into 97, your final answer will be 9506. So how we are getting this 06? 06 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು? 2 into 3, we are multiplying 2 into 3. Here we are getting 27, last two numbers. How you are getting that number? Here how you are getting 28? Here how you are getting 16? Which means last two digit we are getting in each question using base method, difference multiplication only, right? Difference multiplication if I do, I will get last two digit. So this question I can solve last two digit concept, last two digit concept, because last two digit is in each option different. Here what's the base? Then here answer is 4 and 12 48, correct? Last two digit, last two digit difference is 4, difference is 12, 12 4s are 48, both are minus minus. Is it clear? Right. Then here last two digit is 23. Here what's the base? 1000 is a base. Then 11 plus 7, both are plus plus, then plus into plus plus, 11 7s are 77. Now add. Can I write 50 plus 21? Right or wrong? That is the first method I thought, addition concept. 50 plus 21, 71 plus 77, 148. But I want last two numbers only. Then 148 last two numbers is 48. Which option you have 48? That is my answer. Is it clear? So the property is important in these questions. So using base method, we can decide last two digits in any simplification part. I hope it is clear. Write down in that note. Note alli barkoli idana. In base method, we can decide last two digits. Write down after this question. Example alli. In note, write down that first step. In note, after writing these questions, note, in that note, using base method, we can decide last two digit, that is difference multiplication. Using base method, we can decide last two digits, last two digits, that is difference multiplication. That is difference multiplication. Example, write down now this question and solution, write down that. Example above you have like that only you can write. Over writing, just write down this example using last, just write down like this. Here difference is 4 minus 4, here difference is minus 12, 12 4s are 48, here 23, here difference is plus 7, here difference is plus 7, plus into plus, plus 77 is the difference. Now my question, you will get minus 4. Suppose the question is this, what is the now unit place number? Now my other is last two numbers is what? Here suppose the question is this. Okay, let's take it like this question now. For example, question is this, suppose 104 97 plus 44, I mean 144, 1 like this, plus, let's take it this only, let's take it this only. Okay, so otherwise I want answer for this, I don't want this only. Now I want answer for this last two digit, I want last two digit. Plus 4 minus 3, then what is the answer? Plus 4 minus 3 minus 12, but I want numbers always it should be positive. Then what is the final answer? Whenever you will get negative number, you are taking borrow. So in this previous question, observe here, what is the last two numbers is minus 14, but final answer will be, I don't want negative answer, answer should be in positive only. Then convert minus 14 to positive. Okay, how we are converting this number? We are taking borrow. Okay, 100 we are taking borrow, 100 minus 14. So suppose like this question, think here minus, suppose here just example I'm taking about example. Here you will get suppose minus 4, suppose you will get minus 4, then final answer will be last two digit will be 96. Okay, 96. Whenever you will get negative answer, we have to convert to positive, that is the last two digit you have. I think it's clear now. Okay, negative means we have to convert to positive. Okay, minus 12 means 88, minus 4 means 96, which means we are taking borrow 100. Okay, that is also important, sometimes you will get like that question. So here you will get negative answer, so if you solve like this question you will get negative answer, then we have to convert to positive. Okay, next heading squares. Next heading is squares. Still we have multiplication tricks, after squares you will understand that. Squares, next heading is squares. So everyone should buy at compulsory, up to 30 is minimum. Buy at, you should buy at this up to 30, but without pen and paper you can't, you can able to tell up to 125. I will teach this method, but if you know up to 30 only, you can able to tell answer for this. Without pen and paper 125 you can tell up to 125 squares. Okay, so that we are going to learn now. I will teach total 4 methods in squares, depends on situations, we will change our methods. Now first write it 1 to 30 squares. How much you know, just write it, I will tell after 11. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, write down like that up to 30 square. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರೀರಿ, just you can just go and write it. How many members don't know Kannada? Hello. Squares. 11 square, 12 square, 144. Who don't know, just go and write it. Okay, 13 square, 169. 14 square, 196. 15 square, 225. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 17 square is 289. 18 square, 324. 18 square is 324. 19 square, 361. 19 square is 361. 20 square, 400. 20 square is 400. 21 square, 441. 21 square, 441. 22 square, 484. 22 square, 484. 23 square, 529. 23 square, 529. 24 square, 576. 24 square, 576. 25 square, 625. 25 square, 625. 26 square, 676. 676. 27 square, 729. 729. 28 square, 784. 784. 29 square, 841. 841. 30 square, 900. Just I will give 5 minutes time. Everyone by heart, compulsory by heart. After that I will teach how to do it up to 125. Okay, by heart now everyone. For this, okay, now say now. So I will teach you method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4, total 4 methods in squares totally. Method 1, it's a standard method. We are using little bit pen and paper here. Okay, to solve using this method. Usually this method I will use after 125. Okay, this method I will use after 125. But we can use it any numbers. But I will prepare after 125. This method I will use it. Okay, so that method is called a plus b whole square formula. a plus b whole square. This number I can use it any 2 digit or 3 digit, any numbers, but I prepared for this method after 125. Okay, so what is the formula for a plus b whole square? So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Instead of plus, I am writing groups. A square is one group, 2ab is one group, b square is one group. Okay, now let's solve. I want answer for 27 square. I want answer for 27 square. Now a is 2, b is 7. Now first a square, 2 square is 4, then 2 into a into b, a into b first modi, 2 sevens are 14, 14 into 2, 28. After that b square, 7 square. Now write each group only single digit unit place, remaining take carry, which means write it here 9 only, take carry 4. 28 plus 4, how much? 32 means only 2, write 3 carry, 3 plus 4, 7. So your answer will be 729. Okay, let's solve one more. For example, I want answer for 48 square. I want answer for 48 square. So instead of writing formula, directly we'll do it now. 48 square. What is a here? 4. B is 8. First number, first group 16, 4 square. Okay, first group is 16. Second group 4 8s are 32. 32 double 64. Third group 8 8s are here only 4. 6 carry. How much it is? 70. 70 means 0. 7 carry. 7 plus 16, 23. Your answer will be 2304. For example, 103 square. What is A? 10. B is 3. Okay, first group 100. 10 square. First group is 100. Second group 10 3s are 30 double 2ab you have to write. Okay, 3 square 9. So here I have to write it 9. Here I have to write it 0. Here carry 6. Now 106. Your answer will be this. Okay, using this method. I hope it is clear. Write on this method. Some example. Over this. Clear everyone this one? Now method 2 we are going to learn. Now without pen and paper, how to tell answers this. Okay, up to 125. After 30 to 125. See everyone. So now concentrate. Okay, so now don't write it. See now. So I will divide two groups after 30 to 125. The numbers between 31 to 75 I will use one method. The numbers between 76 to 125 I will use method 2. Okay, method 1 and method 2 here. So numbers between 31 to 75, the base is 50. The between 76 to 125, the base is 100. But writing style is different. See now everyone. Any numbers between 31 to 75, for example 48 square. Let's solve this number only, 48 square. Okay, I will write answer between 31 to 75 in this format. 25 plus or minus x of x square format answer. What is this? You know, x meaning difference between given number and base. X meaning difference between given number and base. What is the difference here? 2 is the difference. That is x. Okay, minus 2 or plus 2 compared to base. Minus 2 compared to base, it is minus 2. That is x. X value is equal to minus 2. Now first concentrate this right side. Always write answer right side, then left side. Clear? You have to visualize that x value is minus 2. That visualize. Okay, then right side, what is answer? 4, but write it always 2 digits. Write it always 2 digits. 04. If you get 6, 06. If you get 9, 09. If you get 121, write it 21, 1 carry. Okay, 2 digits we have to write it. Clear everyone? Right. Now 25 minus 2. Clear? 25 minus 2. What is 25 minus 2? 23. Then how to write answers? Now we are going to practice. For example, I want answer for 46 square. Now tell with me everyone. What is the difference? Visualize that. Don't write it everything. Visualize. 4. Difference minus or plus? That you have to keep in your mind. Minus. Then right side. 16. Good. 4 square you have to write it. Okay. 4 square. Difference square. 4 square is 16. Then here 25 minus 4. What is 25 minus 4? That is your answer. 21, 1, 6. I will repeat one more time. Observe here. 41 square. What is the difference? Minus 9. Right side. 81. Okay, right side 81. 25 minus 9. What is 25 minus 9? 16. So good. That's your answer. So for example, 53 square. What's the difference? Plus 3. Good. Plus 3 is the difference. Right side. But 09. Okay, not 9. 09. Then 25 plus 3. Because plus 3 is the difference. Okay, 25 plus 3. Then your answer will be 28. 2809. For example, 39 square. What's the difference? 11. 11 square. 121. But we have to write it 21. 1 carry we have to take it. Okay. Then 25 minus 11. 14. Plus 1. 15. So your answer will be 1521. So for example, 69 square I want to answer. What is the difference? 19. 19 square. 361. That you have to know up to 30. If you know only, you can able to tell answer like this. Okay, so 19 square is 361. 61 only we have to write it. 3 we have to take it carry. Then 25 plus 19. 44 plus 3. Okay, 40. That's our answer. I hope it is clear. Right, write on this first. over. Clear this. Suppose, okay, this is now second 76 to 125 will do. Second more method 76 to 125. How to do squares? This method only for 31 to 75 only. Now 76 to 125 how to do? What is the base I told? And right. But I want answer 98 square. Small method is change. Small method is change. 98 square. What is the difference? Minus 2. Difference is minus 2. Right side as it is, write it. What is the right side? 4 but 0 4. Okay, 2 square. Okay, difference is minus 2, which means 2 square is 4, but write it 0 4. Now here method change. 98 minus 2, that is your answer. 9604. For example, I want answer for 92 square. I want answer for 92 square. 92 square. What is the difference? 8. Right side 64. 92 minus 8. 92 minus 8, 84. That is your answer. For example, 104 square. What is the difference? Plus 4. Right side 104 plus 4. 108. That's your answer. 108 16. For example, 122 square. What is the difference? 22 square 484. 22 square 484. 84 only you have to write it. 4 carry. 122 plus 22. 144 plus 4. 140. That's your answer. Clear? Write on this. No, 31 to 75 is that method only you have to use. This is 76 to 125. Here we will take 25 is the base. I mean 25 plus or minus. For this, suppose the question is like this. Suppose the question is like this. How you will solve 198 square? I want answer. How you will use? I mean, how to solve this question? A plus b whole square. But most of them you are using that a plus b whole square. But why you can't use base method? 200 is the base. Minus 2 is the difference. Minus 2 is the difference. 198 minus 2, 196. 196 double into 200, right? That is the base, right? 190 double 380, 392. 2 2s are 4. 198 square. So here I can use it base method also in squares. Where we will use in squares? 198 square 1. If it is base is equal, I mean nearest to base. For example, 499 square. Can I use 500 as a base? Yes. Instead of 49 9, instead of a plus b, I can use 500 as a base. For example, 999 square. Can I use 1000 as a base? Yes. Okay, so I can use the base method also, depends on situation. Okay, so total 4 methods. One method is called a plus b whole square. Okay, a plus b whole square. Method 2 is either 31 to 75 or 76 to 125. It is method 2. Method 3 base method. Method 4 it is most important. Method 4 I mean base method. Till now I am not using one method. Okay, any squares I am not giving example. This example 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 75 square, 85 square. Write down there one multiplication rule also. Okay, same continue that. It is mainly I will use this rule in squares only, but write down that multiplication. Unit place sum is 10. Unit place sum is 10. Unit place sum is 10. remaining numbers are same or constant. Remaining numbers are constant. Unit place sum is 10 and remaining numbers are constant. Then I can use this method, which means, you know, right, that's it, that's the heading. Unit place sum is 10, remaining numbers are constant. So for example, the question is this: 41 into 49 I need to multiply. 41 into 49 I need to multiply. I told you two conditions. The first condition is, what is the first condition? Unit place sum is 10. If I add both the numbers unit place, the sum is 10. Then remaining numbers are constant. Then I can apply this method. Okay, so how to solve? 1 9s are 9, but write it 2 digits, 09. Okay, 909. 4 next number, 4 next number 5, 4 5s are 20. That is the answer for 41 into 49. I'll repeat one more time. For example, 42 into 48, can I apply this method? Yes or no? Because if I add unit places are 10, remaining numbers are same, then I can apply. 2 8s are 16. 4 next number 5, 4 5s are 20. I can apply this method also. 93 into 97, can I apply this method also? Yes. Right, I can apply. Now can I apply 45 into 45? Why? Yes, I can apply. Can I apply 55 into 55? Can I apply 65 square? Can I apply 75 square? Can I apply 105 square? Clear? 105 square means 105 into 105. 5 plus 5 10, remaining numbers are constant, which means I will apply this method any squares ending with 5. Any squares ending with 5. So for example, 45 45 square, 5 5s are 25, 4 next number 5, 4 5s are 20. 55 square, 5 5s are 25, 5 next number 6, 5 6 are 30. 65 square, 5 5s are 25, 6 next number 7, 6 7s are 42. 75 square, 5 5s are 25, 7 next number 8, 7 8s are 56. Okay, the total 4 methods again. Okay, so ending with 5 method. Ending with 5. Write down these 4 methods. Ending with 5. A plus b whole square, 31 to 75, and base method, and ending with 5. I will use this method. This method I will use for only ending with 5 methods. Over.